meron nang nanalo isang dayuhan mula sa bansang Finland. Kaya, finish na. May magandang dilag na madalas naiispatan ngayon sa Cebu. Parang kandidata sa Miss Universe. Siya ang Finnish na si Jasmina from the land of thousands of lakes, Finland. Ang tanong ng sambayanan, nandito siya sa Pilipinas because may bumihag sa kanyang puso ang dating seaman na si Brian, isang Pilipino.
Yeah. It's cause you're so addictive. Outside, yeah, you call me on some Sam shit. I won't lie if I tell you that I miss it. I've been thinking about you running around out here tripping. Yeah, I found out why she's so addicted.
Si Brian, maraming bisyo at aminadong babaero.
I was a bad boy. I was smoking a lot, drinking.
Habang si Jasmina naman, sa ganda niyang yan, insecure pala sa kanyang sarili.
Wait, just give me a second. For someone to just say something about your appearance, I think that's just wrong.
Tubong Cabadbaran City, Agusan del Norte si Brian. Aminadong nalulung noon sa kung ano-anong mga bisyo.
Hindi ko iniintindi yung about the future, what's gonna happen to my health.
Pero dahil gustong makabangon at makaipon, nag-bartender sa barko. Pero sa karagatan, inalon daw siya ng kalungkutan.
Iinom kami, patulog lang.
Kung sino-sinong foreigner din daw ang kanyang nakarelasyon.
Even though I'm not handsome, pero naging babaero.
Hanggang si Brian na karma sa kanyang nobya.
Nahuli ko siya kasi may something sa messenger niya. Pero super sakit talaga.
Si Brian, 4 na taong naging single hanggang dumating ang muling nagpatibok ng kanyang puso. Ang Finnish na si Jasmina.
Uy, starstruck. Wow, parang ito na talaga.
Taga Kokkola, Finland, si Jasmina. Circus ang business ng kanilang pamilya.
I'm the manager there, but I would also do physical work, like building the tent sometimes and making posters.
Pero para kay Jasmina, masalimuot na palabas ang buhay niya noon sa Finland. Madalas daw kasi siya roong mabuli.
Back in Finland, I would not get complimented once out in the street. It's sad. Just bad memories. For someone to just say something about your appearance, I think that's just wrong.
Kaya tinakasan niya ang kanilang bayan at nag-travel.
It helped me because there's, of course, different people and their attitudes are so different.
Hanggang nakasampa sa isang European cruise kung saan niya nakilala ang ating kababayan.
He always would say hi to me.
Pag hagis ko ng shaker, saktong dumaan siya, doon ko pinuhin sa kanya.
So addictive. Outside, yeah, you call me on some Sam shit.
Shocked but really happy also.
So addictive. Outside, yeah, you call me on some Sam shit.
Dito na sila naging chatmates.
Sinearch ko lang sa Google yung mga pick-up lines. Roses are red, violets are blue. My day is wonderful when I see a beautiful girl like you.
2 buwang ligawan. Sa mismong birthday ni Jasmina, opisyal na naging sila.
Yeah. It's cause you're so addictive. Outside, yeah, you call me on some Sam shit. I won't lie if I tell you that I miss it. I've been thinking about you running around out here tripping. Yeah, I found out why she's so addicted.
Ang maganda rito, si Jasmina ang naging inspirasyon daw ni Brian para tuluyang magbago.
Sabi niya, I don't want you to smoke. It's not good for your health. So sabi ko, wow, parang ito na talaga. Kasi never in my life na yung mga exes ko na pagsasabihan ako na bawal yan.
Si Brian din ang bumura sa anumang pag-aalinlangan ni Jasmina sa kanyang sarili.
I feel secure. I don't feel empty. Like before, when I met him, I was like, wow, I really have everything now.
You're so addictive. Outside, yeah, you call me on some Sam shit. I won't lie if I tell you that I miss it.
Pero si Jasmina, napagod sa kanilang long-distance relationship.
Gusto kong bumalik sa barko pero ayaw niya. Pag babalik ka ng barko, I don't know if you can meet other girls there. So for me, it's really hard. Because, you know, I have a good salary and also I can help my family.
Si Brian at Jasmina, finish na nga ba?
So I decided to my contract. Then after dun, we're planning to put business or houses in Mindanao.
Si Jasmina naman, iniwan ang buhay sa Finland para makasama si Brian sa Butuan. Haba at layo ng ating paglalakbay kung saan-saan man tayo mapadpad. Sana mahanap ang taong magpapatigil sa ating mundo. Wala na. Finish na.
Don't skip kindness. Nescafe. Bangon. Gisingin ang mundo.